So like what I'm going to share with you like is in context, and it doesn't apply to every situation. But I really think that if you have dreams and goals or a vision, something that you want to do or create or be or have, be really mindful of who you share that with, because not everybody's going to support you or champion you or have your back. Sometimes it can be, like I reference sometimes, not all the times, it can be they just don't like the change in you. They don't like what you're doing. Maybe it's some threat, or maybe they feel fearful around it, or maybe they think you're changing, or so be really, really mindful of who you share your visions, goals, dreams and ideas with. You know what? Go after what you want, and sometimes the results will show them anyway.